Hi teacher, I'm Kayla Diaz. I'm gonna tell you my sentences about agreeing and disagreeing. Number one, my husband doesn't eat sweet foods and I don't either. My doctor told me that I should eat healthy food. Two, I can't play any musical instrument and Ken can't either. He doesn't like it. Three, she wasn't happy to see him. Neither were they. He is so unpolite. 4. He won't be happy. Neither will I. We don't like the new subject. 5. They were late for the meeting. So were we. We didn't know about the meeting. 6. We had always liked the beach. So had we. It's a relaxing place. 7. Lucy hadn't eaten sushi before. Neither had I. I can't eat seafood 'cause my allergic problem. 8. I will go to New York tonight. So will she. She'll live there with her husband. 9. This guy despises Americans and he doesn't like French either. He is a xenophobic man. 10. I have never been to Spain and Danny haven't been there either. Visiting Europe is too expensive. 11. My boyfriend loves romantic dates. I don't. It's so corny for me. 12. Paul is good at math. I don't. I hate math. It's so difficult for me. 13. I am excited about the party. So am I. It will be the best of the city. 14. I haven't got a dog. I have. Dogs are so friendly. 15. I love going to the cinema. So do I. Watching movies is my favorite hobby. Thank you, teacher. Bye-bye.